yes, climate is unified in certain perspectives of it. As I said, the way we look at it at ESCWA, and we're pushing Arab countries, is that we're looking at it from the interlinkages perspective of food, energy, and water nexus, and addressing that issues and the challenges. And this is where we brought ministers of water and Minister of Water and Agriculture together with the League of Arab States to start discussing it, because, as you know, agriculture is consuming a majority of water in our region, and bringing a solidified mechanism is extremely important to unify it. Plus, as I just stated, is that water, 60% of our water is a cross-boundary issue, trans-boundary issues that needs also management. It needs also action between them. The same thing when you talked about energy. Energy is also extremely important, but it depends also where the region stands on the energy consumption itself and where is the commitment. As you know, the Arab region, I can say that there is two groups of countries, if I can combine them. There's an oil exporting countries, and they have the fossil fuel exporting countries, and we have oil importing countries, and there's the energy story, is it? And this is where we start to talk about the transition. How do they transition? I mean, these different groups have different transition mechanisms to address the climate challenges. When we're talking about oil importing countries, there's a very much focus on the green transition, green technology transition, renewable energy. We do have another transition, which is the oil exporting countries transition. And here we're talking about different types. Yes, they have a commitment for introducing renewable energy in their mix for energy consumption, but also there is another transition. It's the carbon circular economy transition. So there is that thinking that there's challenges. There is a unified thinking on how do we transition. Okay, the transitioning is very important. There is an understanding among countries of that transition, and where is the focus of that transition is important where it is, and the commitment on the transition is also adopted by all the Arab countries, which is that's very important issues for us as we go along.